Hello and welcome to miniOrange. Worried about the security of your Python-based app or website from data breaches? Rest assured, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to secure your Python website and apps with convenient user login, an extra layer of security, and easy user synchronization using miniOrange. Whether your app or website is developed in-house and doesn't yet support any user authentication protocols, miniOrange has got you covered with our state-of-the-art single sign-on, multi-factor authentication, and user sync solutions. Whether your app uses frameworks like Flask, Django, FastAPI, Pyramid, miniOrange connectors enable support for protocols like SAML, OAuth, and LDAP. miniOrange SSO supports sourcing user information from Active Directory, LDAP directories, cloud directories like Azure, Entra, AWS Cognito, Google Workspace, and even custom identity providers. Plus, miniOrange itself is a trusted identity provider for seamless integration with your Python apps. Our robust multi-factor authentication solution provides an extra layer of verification through Google and Microsoft Authenticator apps, SMS and email OTPs, push notifications, and more to protect your Python-based apps and data. Simplify user identity management with instant synchronization across systems. Easily add or remove users from all applications at once, eliminating outdated access risks. Whether you're an IT administrator, employee, or developer, miniOrange connectors simplify your workflow, enhance security, and improve efficiency. Join our satisfied clients and secure your Python applications with miniOrange connectors. For questions, contact us at support@securify.com.